Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And let's switch it up with the Scarlet Witch. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Scarlet Witch from Marvel Heroclix Collector's Trove set. One of the chases in the set. Okay, and you can see here the sculpt is really nice. It's Witch on a classic costume, okay, floating in the air like she doesn't care, and the effect is hex magic, I guess, serving as a stand for the dark hole. Okay. Oops, let's zoom in out a little. Okay, so you can see her reading through the pages of the dark hole, and I like the detail. Even the book itself has lines and some figures or images. Okay, and she's very witchy with the pose. Okay, and focused on finding the spell she needs for whatever it is she wants. I was able to pull this from the brick break, and of course I'm happy to pull her because she is an Avengers, Brotherhood of Mutants, Midnight Suns mystical and ruler character. Okay, so she's going to be in my collection, and she has a trait which is reading the pages of madness. During force construction, you may add up to 3 Darkhold one-shots to your sideline without paying their cost. These one-shots don't count against your sideline limit. If you do, you can't otherwise add one-shots to your sideline during force construction. Okay, so typically the limit will be 6 sideline, so you can still occupy all that 6 in the sideline and be able to put 3 dark cold one shots. Okay, and speaking of dark cold one shots, we have all of them here from the same set, which is set number S007 to 10, starting off with the Soul Siphon, wherein friendly characters can use regeneration as free, but for each click healed, deal another friendly character and one unavoidable damage. And then we have the Diabolic Bargain. At the beginning of your turn, you may deal a friendly character one unavoidable damage, and if you do, remove an action token from that character. Evil Entwinement, which is at the beginning of your turn, you may choose a friendly character and an opposing character within 4 squares of each other. If you do, until your next turn, when either of those characters move, after resolutions, deal that character 2 unavoidable damage. And finally, Occult Retribution. At the beginning of your turn, you may choose a friendly character and an opposing character within 4 squares of each other. Deal both characters 1 penetrating damage. So, a good amount of option there. Uh, and this each cost 5 points, but they cost free through the trait of Scarlet Witch. Okay, she comes in at 30 and 70 point line, and you can see there are 2 starting clicks on click number 1 and on click number 5. So she seems to be a support figure on the first 3 clicks of the dial, and then the other dial she seems to be an attacker with the running shot Tensai, 19 invincible and 5 damage. Okay. She also has a second trait, which is absorbing Kiton and his Dark Hold. If you play her at 70 points, the first time Scarlet Witch would be KO'd, instead turn her to click number 5, the second dial. Remove all action tokens from her, and this game Scarlet Witch has protected Pulse Wave, meaning Cosmic Energy, which is protected, and this trait is protected Pulse Wave. Okay, that's a bit confusing. And then a special attack power Bands of the Belasco that grants her Pulse Wave. When Scarlet Witch uses it, you may choose that all hit opposing characters gain immobile until your next turn instead of normal damage. Okay, which is again very strong, uh, because Pulse Wave with sidestep. Okay, you can do a lot with that. Okay, or even if she's only 30 points, she comes in with the one shots at 15 points if you're gonna put 3, so that makes her discounted 15 points only. Okay, so Wanda Maximoff, of course, is the real name, and the appearance will be the Darkhold Omega number 1 2022. Okay, so as I said, looking forward to use her together with her brother Quicksilver. But for now, bye.